Hey guys, I have ordered this hair dryer from Amazon and received it today. So this is the model number. I have got it for 899 rupees after all the offers. Let's unbox it. The hair dryer is very lightweight, compact, and the quality is very good. Let's attach this. Yeah, it fits perfectly. So since it's very compact and lightweight, it will be easy for you to carry around whenever you are traveling. Let's switch it on. I have now connected it to a socket. Switching it on. It's very good. I recommend this to all my friends.